Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T10 and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. At the second place we have the audio control option, so let's tap on it, and here by using this button in the right corner we can turn it on or turn it off by another tap as we need. When we have this turn it on, we can take a picture without touching the screen by saying some keywords, and we can pick from say cheese to take photos or speak loudly to take photos. So this is how to change this here. And I suggest you to making experiments with that and just have a good fun. Of course we can easily turn it off when we don't need it by tapping again on this button here in the right corner. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.